Hi there, and today I have mega ecology set this file in SVG, PNG and JPG EPS for Adobe Illustrator user or PNG. You can use everywhere EPS and PNG. So first I show you these files for Adobe Illustrator EPS, and with JPG file you can crop it and drag anywhere. So first I show you these samples. Wow, amazing. You can use it in World or I think World. Amazing. Wow. In Sketch. Amazing, fantastic. So okay, here is 50 files and 25 files are EPS and 25 file is JPG. Next is PNG. Here is 338 files. Wow, in high definition. Amazing. Here is SVG. So I drag this file. Here is Scratch like this to Photoshop. Sorry, I close this file, and here you can use everywhere. You can change color, like these are not editable file, but you can do. Press magic tool and then press Ctrl U, and you see there, or you can change color, or you can apply, I think, gradient overlay. No, sorry, you can't do this. So just you click on same color, magic tool, and then press Ctrl U. For example, press U. Okay, here press U. Wow, so simply mean you can change color in Photoshop. So I again change this color, click magic tool, press U for change color, like this. You can apply gradient overlay. For example, Control C and Ctrl V, you have a new layer, and then you click on FX, go gradients overlay and apply if you want or if you like. Many options, you can change it. So I close this file, and here you can change everything like this. Drag and just click on magic tool, you can change color. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.